This morning I made the call, the one that ends it all. Hanging up I wanted to cry, but damn it, the well's gone dry. Not for the money, not for the fame, not for the power, just no more games. But now I'm safe in the eye of the tornado. I can't replace the lies that let 1,000 days go. No more living trapped inside. In a way I'll truly die in the eye of the tornado. Blow me away. You'll grow to love my name, you'll hate me just the same. You won't need your breath, and soon you'll meet your death. Not from the years, not from the use, not from the tears, just self-abuse. But now I'm safe in the eye of the tornado. I can't replace the lies that let 1,000 days go. No more living trapped inside. In a way I'll surely die in the eye of the tornado. Blow me away.
Who's to say?
What's for me to say?
Who's to say?
What's for me to be?
Who's to say?
What's for me to do? 'Cause that big nothing, it will be for me. The land of opportunity, the golden chance for me. My future looks so bright, never think I've seen the light. Hey, oh, oh, ooh, yeah. Can't say what's on my mind, can't do what I really feel in this bed I made for me. It's where I sleep, I really feel. I've warned you of the fate, proven too late. Your tongue to whisper words. Now come and drink this curse. And now I feel your brain. Why spin you round again? My poison fills your head as I tuck you into bed. You feel my fingertips, you won't forget my lips. You feel my cold breath, it's the kiss of death.